Hello students, मैं BL शर्मा मैथ्स discussing multiple choice questions, case study based questions, assertion reason questions of class ninth mathematics chapter 7. This is triangle chapter. Very, very important and questions for you. The question number one is on your screen. It is given in the figure that angle A is equal to angle P in two triangles PQR and ABC. And it is also given this AC side is equal to PR side. If we need the two triangles congruent, triangle PQR is congruent to triangle ABC, then which of the following is true? वी नो हियर इन द ऑप्शंस, ऑप्शन में देखिएगा एंगल आपको नहीं दे रखा है तो हमें साइड को ही वेरीफाई करना पड़ेगा एंड वी हैव अ रूल साइड एंगल साइड. सो वी कैन से that if PQ is equal to side PR, AB, then by side angle side, the two triangles are congruent. So, which of the following is the correct option? C is the correct option. Are the two triangles congruent? If yes, take the correct answer. We know here two sides are equal, sorry, two angles are equal 50 degree and 70 degree, 50 degree and 70 degree. One side is also equal 4 centimeter, this is also 4 centimeter. So two angles and one sides are equal, but, what is A as a congruence rule? Two angles and included side must be same. देखिए 70 और 50 डिग्री के बीच में 4 सेंटीमीटर है बट हियर सी 70 डिग्री और 50 सेंटीमीटर के बीच में 4 सेंटीमीटर नॉट गिवन. दैट इज वाई द टू ट्राइंगल्स आर नॉट कॉन्ग्रुएंट. सी दो एंगल भी इक्वल है एक साइड भी इक्वल है फिर भी दोनों ट्राइंगल्स कॉन्ग्रुएंट इसलिए दोनों ट्राइंगल कॉन्ग्रुएंट इसलिए नहीं है क्योंकि एस ए एस कॉन्ग्रुएंस रूल कहता है कि दो एंगल्स इक्वल हो, सॉरी ए एस ए रूल कहता है दो एंगल्स इक्वल होना चाहिए और उनके बीच का साइड मींस इंक्लूडेड साइड मस्ट बी इक्वल बट हियर इंक्लूडेड साइड इज नॉट इक्वल दैट इज व्हाई द टू ट्राइंगल्स आर नॉट congruent. You take a screenshot shot better. In the figure in triangle ABC, AB is equal to BC, then what is angle ABC? ये एंगल कितने का होगा देखिए इट इज गिवन टू साइड्स आर इक्वल ए बी और बी सी दो साइड्स इक्वल है. देखिए पहले तो हम फाइंड आउट करेंगे लीनियर पेयर एग्जाम से बिकॉज वी नो द सम ऑफ दिस टू एंगल्स इज 180 डिग्री सो दिस एंगल विल बी 80 डिग्री. Then the two sides are equal. AB is equal to BC. Sorry. So yes. So we know the angles opposite to equal sides are equal. This angle is 80 degree. So this angle will also be 80 degree. But we know that by angle sum property that the sum of three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So 80 plus 80, 160. That is why this will be 20 degree. So which is the correct option? D is the correct option. The two figures are given. Which of the following option is correct? if the two triangles are congruent. See, 4.5 this side, and this is 4.5. 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter. 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter. So by SSS congruency rule or by angle congruency rule, the two triangles are congruent. लेकिन लिखेंगे कैसे? You can say A, B, C crossing 4.5 and 5. This side 4.5 and 5. So triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. Option C is correct. Which of the following is correct option? Sides and angles of the two triangles are given. So we check here. 4.5 this side and this is 4.5. जो same measurement के होते हैं उनको same symbol देते हैं हम. This is 5 centimeter, this is 5 centimeter, and third side is 4 centimeter, and this third side is 4 centimeter. So you can say triangle ABC means 4.5 and 5 and 4. 4.5 and 5 and 4. So triangle will be congruent to triangle FDE. Triangle ABC is congruent to triangle FDE. So B is the correct option. Are the two triangles congruent? If yes, then which of the following is correct? Here we see, यहाँ पे हम देखते हैं, देखिए two angles are equal. So by angle sum property, third angle will also be equal, means angle C will be equal to angle C dash of the other triangle. देखिए, now by angle side angle property, ये एंगल हो गया और ये साइड हो गया और ये एंगल हो गया, ये एंगल, ये साइड एंड एंगल. So by angle side angle property, the two triangles are congruent. कैसे लिखेंगे? You can write A, B, C. A dash, B dash, C dash. So which of the following is correct? So B is the correct option. Assertion reason question. Uh, Assertion is in triangle PQR, PQ is equal to QR and angle R is 75 degree, then angle P is 50 degree. Reason is in a triangle, angles opposite to equal sides are equal, then which of the following options is correct? We draw a triangle PQR. It is given that in triangle PQR, PQ is equal to QR and angle R is 75 degree. In a triangle, if two sides are equal, then opposite angles are also equal. So angle P will be 75 degree. But here it is given angle P is 50 degrees. So we can say this is not correct. But in a triangle, angles opposite equal sides are equal. Yes, it is given. किसी भी triangle में अगर दो साइड्स इक्वल है होती हैं तो उनके अपोजिट एंगल्स भी इक्वल होते हैं. सो विच इज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन? डी इज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. Assertion A is false, but reason is true. In the true triangle FED and triangle IQP, DE is equal to TE is equal to QR, EF is equal to PR, and FD is equal to PQ. The two triangles are congruent by SSS congruence rule, so we can write, you can write a PRQ, double cross, single cross, double cross, single cross. FED means B is the correct option. Which of the following is not a criteria for the congruence of triangles? देखिए, SAS is there, congruence rule, ASA is there, SSS there, RHS there. लेकिन AAA कोई congruence rule नहीं होता है. So which is the correct option? AAA means angle, angle, angle is not the criteria of congruence of triangles. It is given triangle PRQ and triangle YZX are congruent in this order. देखिए, PR is equal to YZ, RQ is equal to ZX, सेम सिंबल से मार्क कर दीजिए, एंड रिमेनिंग थर्ड साइड PQ इज इक्वल टू XY. वैसे भी देख सकते थे फर्स्ट एंड थर्ड PQ, दैट इज YX. So D is the correct option.